Okay, good morning. Here's a video of the ZS1 ICW 6-meter beacon. We've attached the amplifier. Now, as you can see, I'm going to move in a bit, and you will see there's the input going in there, but on the output side, I've just left it per PC board, and there is quite a big difference. Everything is just prototype, and I've got an antenna here on the side which I just lie on the bench, and that's enough to pick up the amplifier signal. And as you can hear in the background, we're going to move over to that now. Let's go to the background. There, it's doing its thing. I'm going to move a bit closer. Excuse me for the thing there. It's putting out the signal, and yeah, it's working. So everything just in concept or prototype, and we will have to put it in a case and get a proper antenna up and see what it does once it's got the antenna on there. Unfortunately, I don't have any equipment to measure the power output at this stage, but it's supposed to be between 2 and 3 watts. ZS1 India, off and clear.